Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I did this wonderful monochromatic purple look. I really enjoyed how this look came out. I used the new Fenty Mademoiselle lipsticks, and then I got this Vivid Brights from NYX, this eyeliner. I don't know where I set it down at. I will find it. But yeah, I use this like lavender eyeliner, and I really love these. Like, they're so pigmented, I just love them. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this purple monochromatic look, feel free to keep on watching and I'll show you. I am going into the shade right here. I'm gonna take that shade and rub it in my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade right here. I'm taking that color and putting it slightly lower than my crease shade and just really building that color up, sort of like packing it in there first before I blend it out. Now I'm taking a big fluffy brush and just blending those shades out. Next, I'm going to be going in with this purple shade right here. I'm just going to be putting that shade like right around here, just sort of blending that into my crease. I'm going to be taking this like deep purple shade and picking that up on a dense brush and just really packing that on my eyelid. Okay, we're just gonna ignore the fact that some of the pigment's not picking up on my eyelid because it's dry right now. But I'm gonna go in with this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Blossom. How cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna be adding a wing to my eyeshadow. Okay, this is gonna be really weird again. I think I've done this before, but I'm going to go in with this shade and this shade and use it for my blush. I'm going to be going into this Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going into the shade Spectra and just highlighting my face with that. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I use this Fenty Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade One of the Boys. I really love like lavender colors. I also popped on some lashes. I'm not really sure if I like the lashes, but they're already on, so whatever. But yeah, if you guys like this monochromatic purple look, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And I just swatched my swatches on my other hand. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you later.